masking. We will be needing 2 clips. It's important that these clips are going on the same direction to make it seamless. We will put the second clip under the first clip, then we will nest them both. Now, we will look at the object that blocks the frame. Then, we will look for the time frame where the mask should start. We will select this pen icon in the opacity menu, and there's your masking option. Click Mask, then start masking the things you want to remove. After creating your first keyframe, click Inverted to mask out the other side. We will go keyframe by keyframe to make the mask move and create it as a transition. Make sure to cover all the clip that you need to mask. Then there you have it. Just add some speed ramping to make it more seamless.